Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of pool covers, and we've got our hands on what we believe is the best 15 by 30 winter pool cover on the market, the Robelle 351530-4 pool cover. Now, what sets this cover apart?
Let's break it down. First off, durability.
Made with heavy-duty polyethylene material and featuring an 8x8 scrim, this cover is built to withstand the toughest of winter conditions. So, you can say goodbye to worrying about tears or rips.
Installation is a breeze with the included winch and cable.
Simply secure it through the grommets, and you're good to go.
Plus, with a 4-foot overlap, you can trust that your pool is fully protected.
But durability and ease of installation aside, what about performance? Well, customers rave about how this cover effectively keeps out debris and prevents water from passing through. And with its imperial blue topside and black underside, it not only gets the job done but looks sleek while doing it.
So, if you're in the market for a reliable winter pool cover that ticks all the boxes,
durability, ease of installation, and top-notch performance, look no further than the Robelle 351530-4 pool cover. It's the ultimate solution for protecting your pool during the off-season.
That's a wrap for today's review.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below letting us know your thoughts. Until next time, happy swimming!